Welcome back to AI Watch. Today we're diving deep into what might be the most significant breakthrough in robotics this year, Google's revolutionary Gemini Robotics On-Device model that can operate entirely without cloud connectivity. To understand why this matters, let's first consider the fundamental challenge that's plagued robotics for decades. Traditional robotic systems have been caught in a cruel paradox. To be truly intelligent, they needed to tap into powerful cloud-based AI systems. But this dependency created a fatal weakness: latency. When a robot needs to send data to the cloud, wait for processing, and receive instructions back, even a few hundred milliseconds of delay can be the difference between successfully catching a falling object and watching it shatter on the floor. Google's breakthrough changes everything. Their Gemini Robotics On-Device model can perform complex tasks like shoe tying completely locally on the robot itself. This is not just an incremental improvement. It is a paradigm shift that could unlock robotics applications we have only dreamed of. Think about the implications. Emergency response robots could operate in disaster zones where internet connectivity is spotty or non-existent. Manufacturing robots could make split-second decisions without relying on network infrastructure. Home robots could function reliably even during internet outages. We're talking about truly autonomous systems that don't need a digital umbilical cord to the cloud. But the technical achievement here goes beyond just solving latency issues. Running advanced AI models on robot hardware requires extraordinary optimization. These devices have limited processing power compared to massive cloud servers. Yet Google has managed to compress their sophisticated Gemini capabilities into a form that can run locally. This represents a masterclass in edge computing optimization. The timing of this announcement is particularly significant. We're seeing a broader industry trend toward edge AI, with companies recognizing that the future isn't just about more powerful cloud systems, but about bringing intelligence closer to where it's needed. OpenAI's recently revealed exploration of AI hardware devices, as uncovered in court documents, suggests they're thinking along similar lines. For consumers, this breakthrough could accelerate the arrival of practical home robots. Imagine a robot that can help with household tasks, learn your preferences, and adapt to your routines, all while protecting your privacy by processing everything locally. No more concerns about your personal data being transmitted to distant servers. The industrial implications are equally profound. Manufacturing facilities could deploy fleets of intelligent robots that coordinate seamlessly without depending on central cloud infrastructure. This could be particularly transformative in regions with less reliable internet connectivity, democratizing access to advanced automation technology. However, this development also raises important questions. How do we ensure these on-device AI systems remain secure and can be updated? What happens when robots with different AI models need to collaborate? And perhaps most critically, how do we maintain human oversight and control over increasingly autonomous systems? Google's decision to make their Agent 2 protocol vendor neutral through the Linux Foundation suggests they are thinking about these interoperability challenges. But the industry will need to work together to establish standards for on-device AI systems to communicate and collaborate effectively. Looking ahead, this breakthrough could catalyze a new wave of robotics innovation. Startups and established companies alike now have a clear path toward developing more capable, reliable robotic systems. We might be standing at the threshold of the robotics revolution that futurists have long predicted. The race is now on 4 other tech giants to match Google's achievement. Can OpenAI, Microsoft, or Amazon develop comparable on-device AI capabilities? How quickly can hardware manufacturers adapt their designs to support these new requirements? One thing is certain: Google's Gemini Robotics On-Device model represents more than just a technical milestone. It's a glimpse into a future where intelligent machines operate autonomously in our physical world, making decisions in real time without the constraints of cloud dependency. The age of truly independent robots has begun. This is AI Watch, keeping you informed about the developments shaping our technological future. Thanks for listening.